How are you doing? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. I'm doing great, thanks for asking.
Do you like the new restaurant in town? Do you like the new restaurant in town?
Yes, the food is amazing. Yes, the food is amazing.
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing basketball. I enjoy playing basketball.
Do you like working from home? Do you like working from home?
I do, it's much more comfortable. I do, it's much more comfortable.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
I love Inception. How about you? I love Inception. How about you?
Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book?
Sure, just make sure to return it when you're done. Sure, just make sure to return it when you're done.
Do you want to grab lunch? Do you want to grab lunch?
Sure, I'm starving. Sure, I'm starving.
Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach with some friends. I went to the beach with some friends.
Can you drop me home? Can you drop me home?
Sure, hop in. Sure, hop in.
Can I park the car here? Can I park the car here?
Yes, this spot is fine. Yes, this spot is fine.
What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m. It starts at 7 p.m.
Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys?
No, I haven't. Did you check your bag? No, I haven't. Did you check your bag?
Can I get a drink, please? Can I get a drink, please?
Of course, what kind? Of course, what kind?
Can I borrow your phone? Can I borrow your phone?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
Are you coming to the party tonight? Are you coming to the party tonight?
Yes, I'll be there around 8. Yes, I'll be there around 8.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here. No, you can sit here.
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need help with? Of course, what do you need help with?
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm.
Do you want to grab lunch? Do you want to grab lunch?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's go. Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's go.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over. Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Is there a restroom around here? Is there a restroom around here?
Yes, it's down the hall on the left. Yes, it's down the hall on the left.
Can you pick up some groceries for me? Can you pick up some groceries for me?
Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need?
Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I don't have plans yet. Yeah, I don't have plans yet.
Do you know where I can find a taxi? Do you know where I can find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand just around the corner. There's a taxi stand just around the corner.
Do you have any change? Do you have any change?
Yes, here's $1. Yes, here's $1.
Is it okay if I bring a friend? Is it okay if I bring a friend?
No problem at all. No problem at all.
Do you have an umbrella? Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have an extra one if you need it. Yes, I have an extra one if you need it.
Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, feel free. Not at all, feel free.
Do you want to join me for a walk? Do you want to join me for a walk?
Sure, I'd love to. Sure, I'd love to.
Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen?
Here you go, take this one. Here you go, take this one.
Have you been to this restaurant before? Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, it's really good. Yes, it's really good.
Is there a good coffee shop around here? Is there a good coffee shop around here?
Yes, there's one just a few blocks away. Yes, there's one just a few blocks away.
Can I borrow your car tomorrow? Can I borrow your car tomorrow?
I'm using it, sorry. I'm using it, sorry.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
It's $15. It's $15.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just tired. Yeah, I'm just tired.
Do you want to go out for dinner? Do you want to go out for dinner?
I'd love to. Where do you want to go? I'd love to. Where do you want to go?
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. I start at 9 a.m.
Can you make it to the meeting? Can you make it to the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Yes, I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Is it okay if I use your computer? Is it okay if I use your computer?
Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead.
What time does the cafe close? What time does the cafe close?
It closes at 9 p.m. It closes at 9 p.m.
Do you want to meet up later? Do you want to meet up later?
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good.
Do you like this dress? Do you like this dress?
It looks great on you. It looks great on you.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, I'm still figuring it out. Not yet, I'm still figuring it out.
Can I take your picture? Can I take your picture?
Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead.
Do you need a hand with that? Do you need a hand with that?
Yes, I could use some help. Yes, I could use some help.
Can you believe this weather? Can you believe this weather?
I know it's crazy. I know it's crazy.
Do you have any snacks? Do you have any snacks?
Yes, I've got some chips and cookies. Yes, I've got some chips and cookies.
Can I get a glass of water, please? Can I get a glass of water, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over. Of course, I'll bring it right over.